Why is soundproofing important? Well, noise from neighbours and road traffic noise can disturb your sleep. If it disturbs your sleep, then this can get you stressed and raise your blood pressure, and this can affect the relationship with anyone around you. If noise is affecting your sleep, then you need to seek a solution immediately. I met a lady the other day and she was hearing every aspect of her neighbours' daily lives. She was hearing the comings and goings, them going to the toilet, she was hearing everything. And because of that, it made her very aware of what she was doing in her own home. She was watching the news on subtitles. She had never watched a movie on full volume. She had never played music, and she was embarrassed to have her friends round. She actually purchased some shoes which had soft finishings on the bottom so she could walk around her house without being heard by her neighbours. Now, I believe everybody should enjoy peace and quiet in their own home. Now, her home is the one place where she should be able to relax and do whatever she likes, whether that means make noise or be peaceful. But her home felt more like a prison because she was so restricted. And this is affecting her physical health and her mental health. The neighbours continue to make noise because they have no idea that there's a noise problem. They are just living their lives and they have no idea that the noise that they're making is actually making that lady's life a misery. Now, here's a thought. Have you changed your behaviour in any way? Have you changed your behaviour because you're worried about the noise that you're making disturbing the neighbours? Maybe you need soundproofing. Check out my other videos to see how you can reduce the noise in your home.